In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to enable dark mode in Canva. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, this quick guide will help you get set up in just a few clicks. First, look to the top right corner of your Canva screen. Click on the small gear icon. This opens your settings. From the drop-down menu, select Accessibility. This section allows you to customize how Canva looks and feels. Inside Accessibility settings, you'll see an option for dark mode. Click it, and your Canva dashboard instantly switches to a sleek, darker theme. Dark mode isn't just stylish, it reduces eye strain, makes designing in low light more comfortable, and adds a modern feel to your workspace. If you want to return to the default light theme, simply go back into Settings, open Accessibility, and toggle dark mode off, and that's it. You now know how to enable dark mode in Canva quickly and easily. Give it a try during your next design session. It might just make the experience more comfortable. Thanks for watching and happy designing.